Hello guys, welcome to RentSyst channel, the fleet management solutions for car rental business. In that episode, we want to share with you the topic related for notification center. So how to find it and how to customize this feature so it will be works for you automatically. Basically on the main screen, you can see those icons, and here with the bell, it's called notifications, and basically you can all go inside to see all the notifications and track all the important alerts and events inside the system. So in a moment we will dive deep inside, but before that let me go for settings to show you how this feature works. Basically there is a feature called notifications and templates here. So there is two types at the moment for notifications. The first is directly on the bell. It's called screen, right? Which is going inside here. So you can see which items, which events you can customize and activate it. So basically we recommended before use this module, customize the process according to your business needs, and activate those options that you want to track it directly. For instance, when order created, you can see alert on screen. Let's say if someone from your team will create a new contact, you can also track it. Let's say activate it. Change status order, order for client, missing rental, important to activate, missing return, important to activate. Basically, we have a related video guide, which is separately will be recommended here on screen above. About notifications, so we also recommend to check it. So basically you can activate these events, okay, and then when something will be on time, let's say missing rental, missing return, or new order will be there will be like high marked for you the alert that there is like some new event appear. So in a moment I will confirm new reservation. Yeah, just confirm, and let's refresh the page. Yeah, at the moment you can see there is like the red dot. It means that you have some new notifications. So let's go inside. You can see two alerts. The first is about that I have new order, and the second one that this order is receiving by overbooking. So overbooking means that you can receive the order for the same car at the same period of time, even if it's like booked on other dates and time. Let me show you on timeline. So this has been overbooking, right? You can see the same car, it's overbooked because it's like have a conflict between the orders. Okay, so let's go inside the notification center. So click on it. You can click directly on this field. Let's say new order 688, and you go inside directly to view page for this order directly. Okay, let's get it for see all notifications to see how this looks like. So notifications has a few filters. Basically status of filter. You can see is it new or it's already read. If you would like, you can like click this bottom mark all as a read, because you can see the green one, it's like the new alert that is like not read it yet. So you can click like this, and it will be automatically removed like as a read, right? You can see it's all read right now. Yeah, you don't have any new alerts, so basically there is no needed. Other type of filter is a type of notification. We have three of them, like informing format, informing type, error, and warning. So usually errors, it means about some of type of integration. In my case, I'm using Zoho accounting integration, which is not real. That's why I get here some alerts about Zoho Books integration. So when I click on it, it's directly jumping me directly here for bookkeeping, Zoho, and so on. The next type is about the warning. So let me show you the type of filter of the warning. It means that some action is missing. You can see missing action rental. Okay, rental. Return. Yeah, so this is very important feature. It's alert you when let's say the order is finishing, let's say at 3 p.m., but customer doesn't show up yet, and the order is not checked yet, and by this system understand there is like overdue some action, so it's like alert you that missing return. So and the same missing rental. So let's say you starting your rental at 10 a.m. in the morning, but customer doesn't show up yet, and system alert you that missing rental. So you need to check it for from reservation to rental to make this like automatically clear inside the system. And information, this is about like informing you about some changes about the statuses of the order when you have some new order upcoming, um, and many more. Okay. And search. Of course, you can search it by some of the options here. So let's say you get inside. Yeah, you can click on it. Let's say missing rental. You click on it, and you're directly jumping inside this order on view stage, and you can check it from here. Click check. Yeah. So now you can check it directly. So I mean that notification center actually is one of the powerful features as well, because you can work with the reservations, with the orders, not only from the reservation tab, not only from your planner, daily plan and timeline, but also from notification center as well. So try to use. I sure that this notification center also will be powerful feature for you. In case you have any questions regarding the system works, you can also ask anytime for demonstration from our team. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.